Damn, center lock by hand? That's crazy. And then magically 5 lugs appear.
Yeah, not on the other side.
Today, I'm going out to go pick up a nice carbon fiber piece for the ZL1. And I know I said in the past, I want to prioritize my money for that car in the engine bay over just cosmetics and wheels and stuff like that. But there's just this one thing visually that I feel like it lacks. And today, we're going to hopefully solve that issue. Oh! Would you look at this? Looks like we are in the right spot already. Always comforting seeing another modded car, but that is because we are here at Team Mod Garage. What's up, what's up, what's up?
Hey, what's going on, Jack? You here to get a goodie or something?
Yeah, so you guys have something for me somewhere in here, but I don't know where it is, but we might as well look around and see. So somewhere in here is a box for my ZL1, but this is their shop. Pretty busy, like you got all the lifts occupied and everything. They got motors over there, more boxes. I don't see anything that looks like it'd be for a ZL1 yet. We got a lot of WRX headlights right here. And we do have a Mustang. Oh my gosh, I didn't even realize. The carbon fiber just kept on going. I thought it was just a hood, but yeah, he's got the whole fenders done too. You guys have like a parts box room or something like that?
Yeah. Somewhere in here maybe?
Okay. Oh, somewhere in here. All right, so I gotta figure this out. One of these boxes is something that I'm taking back. That would be cool. That'd be sick if I had something ready for the Camaro, but unfortunately, that is not the case. Oh, maybe some seats for it? I'm leaning towards this one. Right here. Oh, Anderson Composites. This is the one, isn't it?
It sure is.
So yeah, this is our Anderson Composites carbon fiber diffuser for the ZL1. It's actually, I'm literally taking the biggest box here, straight up. So unfortunately, Raptors come with too short of beds and the box physically won't fit. So I guess this means we're gonna have to unbox this thing here and then just bring it unpackaged, but that's completely fine. As long as the diffuser itself isn't as long as the actual box, which there is no physical way it could be because a Camaro is not this wide.
Oh, yeah, so that's not...
Oh, this is actually, yeah, this is... It's just one big boomerang. Alright, we've made it back to my house, but before we can get to installing this diffuser, we have a bit of an issue. Yeah, we have some snow we gotta clear off. I am happy to say that this car was just freshly wrapped, so all the people out there that could get on me about scraping my paint don't have to worry a thing. I never thought I'd be in a position where I'd be standing here brooming my car off, but here we are. I fell in love with the ZL1 because of the front end. There is just so much mean aggression, including the canards, including this big mouth and evil eyes. Almost so much going on up here that it's hard to complement that around the rest of the car. They tried doing so with the back because you have a really aggressive carbon wing, but I feel like the back kind of always lacks compared to how much is going on in the front. And in order to help that out, that is exactly what this carbon fiber Anderson Composites diffuser does. So we're gonna get right on it and get that thing slapped on the back of that car. I'm hoping that this install is going to be easy, considering that the previous two genres of cars I have to work with are these. In my mind, American domestic muscle should be pretty easy to install stuff on, but who knows, cars always somehow find a way to surprise me. But first thing on the list is we gotta take these out and pretty much work our way to take off the whole rear bumper so we can access the diffuser down here. It doesn't sound good, but it is how it should be. Oh yeah, and then just freaking bump it off. Now we must take off the diffuser down there. Try and like pry and it goes up.
Like this?
Yeah. Dude, this is the most annoying things. It's like a one-way thing. I don't know how.
Yeah, it is a one-way.
Okay, I got it. I sure hope we're not gonna need this diffuser again.
There we go.
Yes.
Get out of here with that plastic.
All right, well now the easy part is done. Now we gotta freaking reassemble all back together with the carbon. Oh, here's where those go? Oh, okay.
Let's put it back down like that.
Ugh. Yeah, this definitely protrudes out much further than the OEM one does. So interesting enough, this diffuser does not cover where the OEM diffuser did. So we kind of have obviously exposed bumper that wasn't wrapped because previously this was covered before. And there's even in fact holes right here where the other diffuser mounted up. So, I mean, what I'm gonna do is I'm probably just gonna get this part wrapped satin black because the skirts are satin black. It'll carry those over, but that's interesting. I don't know how you can have an aftermarket diffuser but have it not cover up literal holes. I'm not in any partnership with Anderson Composites for this product. I just wanted their diffuser on my ZL1 and I think it frankly is the only good carbon fiber diffuser for this car. But because I'm not in partnership, they do gotta work on their fitment to aligning with the actual bumper right here because that took Zach and I probably at least an hour of a struggle just to get this diffuser to clip in and stay. But everything's on there now. I'm just gonna go to bed for tonight and we'll see what this looks like in the daylight tomorrow because I have just been sitting in a puddle of all the snow has melted in my garage. So my butt is soaked, my shoes are soaked, and I'm an absolute mess. Just trying to install this. The bumper's a mess too, so I'll see you guys in the morning. Ooh, this diffuser is looking spicy in the daylight. It is 10 times more noticeable that it is carbon fiber and not satin black, and it completely complements the rear carbon fiber wing now. Just look at that. Now last night I had some time to do some digging and I did find out that there's no way that's a ZL1 diffuser. Anderson Composites does make a diffuser that covers up both of those sides that has holes on them, so therefore what I have is probably a 6th gen SS diffuser or something like that. Am I gonna swap it out? No. It's not that big of a deal to me. I just do want to get those side pieces wrapped in satin black to go along with the skirts. And it being an SS diffuser, it's actually slightly more subtle and not as beefy and thick as the ZL1 diffuser is, and I kind of like that, so I'm just gonna embrace what I have. You guys watching this would have probably never even known that if I said it, but that just goes out to the Gen 6 Camaro diffuser enthusiasts only who would have found that out. Before I end off this vlog, I do in fact have 2 surprises I want to show you guys, and right now we are driving to surprise number 1. Surprise number 1 is we have sand hoodies now. These are sand color block hoodies that will match the Camaro with its brand new wrap on there. My little brother Ethan is here. He already has it on. Give it a little turnaround. Yeah, so it's actually pretty simple. It's not as crazy vibrant as our other color block hoodies, but it is clean, it's fashionable. We didn't put any graphics or design on it because we just want to kind of keep it simple fashion wear. So this is now live in the shop. You guys can go ahead and go cop one yourself. There is nothing quite like walking out in my sand hoodie to match the sand car. I have gifts for y'all. You could take that one.
Thank you.
Here you go.
Hell yeah.
We got the new freaking drop, baby. This is also a reminder to go like the video racing my ZL1 against the R8, because in that video I stated if it got 8,000 likes, we will wrap Zach Sonic to literally match the ZL1. That way we have both Chevys twinning in the driveway together. We'll do the hood, we'll do the roof, we'll do it all. And the last surprise that I wanted to share is we have a set of boxes that have finally come in, and they may or may not be for an off-white car in the garage that has been needing a kit of some sort. It is all here, so coming soon to the UltraMotive channel is going to be one hell of an unboxing video. Even Zilla's excited to check it out.
Right here for the wheels?
Oh, yeah, I'm afraid these would be too thin for my car. Yeah, the ZL1 rear is literally like if you like attached two of these and pretty much had one tire that was that thick.